If you are the PE teacher, or you are going to be a PE art teacher, music teacher, whatever here, whatever you do in your career, do not line those kids up. Bring them back to their teacher and say, this one and this one misbehaved, and expect that teacher to do something about it. That is your classroom. That is your domain. You take care of it. And if you don't have time at that moment because you've got another line coming in of kids, which is reality, all right, then you make a note of it. If you want to connect with that kid, you go get that kid from that classroom when you have a moment. And your colleague should not say, this is not a good time for you to take them. They should support you right there in that moment and say, absolutely, you can take them and have a conversation. That's healthy culture, and that's what our kids need to see. They will treat you differently if the adults in front of them treat each other differently. The kids will learn how to do that as well. Nobody is here and here in this particular job.